Hello, welcome to William's English Lessons. Today's topic is the invention of the refrigerator. The keywords for this lesson are refrigerator, refrigerator, icebox, icebox, device, device, compressor, compressor, electricity, electricity, inventor, inventor. Today, our refrigerator is the biggest thing in most kitchens. But back in 1803, the first device called a refrigerator was simply a two-layered box. Ice and food were stored together, with the ice keeping the food cold. The key to a real refrigerator is a device called a compressor. A compressor cools heated air and then uses it to cool the stuff inside the fridge. In 1834, Jacob Perkins put a compressor on an icebox, but since it had to be cranked by hand to work, it wasn't too popular. When people figured out how to get electricity to run compressors, inventors returned to the idea of refrigeration. In 1913, the Domelry refrigerator sold for $900 and became the first electric fridge for home use. In 1934, General Electric created the first quiet compressor and sold the first popular home refrigerator. Cold food lovers everywhere rejoiced. Thank you for watching. 谢谢观看。